In this video, I'm going to show you how to add color to concrete yourself and get that pro look without shelling out big bucks for a contractor. Coloring concrete is a game changer for patios, driveways, or even indoor floors, making plain gray slabs pop with personality and style. You don't need crazy skills or fancy gear to pull it off, just a little patience and some good tips. First off, decide if you want to do integral coloring, where you mix the color right into the wet concrete, or surface coloring, like stains or dyes after the concrete's set. Integral coloring is awesome because it lasts way longer and won't wear off with time, but surface stains give you more options and are easier to tweak if you want a certain shade. Prep is everything here, so make sure your concrete surface is clean and dry before you slap any color on it. Dirt and moisture mess with the finish. When using stains or dyes, apply them evenly with a sprayer or brush, and don't rush, let it dry fully between coats to avoid blotchy spots. Sealing the concrete after coloring is a must to lock in that color and protect against weather, stains, and fading. And hey, always wear gloves and a mask, because some of these chemicals can be harsh on your skin and lungs. One of the biggest screw-ups I see when people try coloring concrete themselves is skipping the prep work. If you don't clean and dry the surface properly, the color won't stick right and will peel off fast. Another common mistake is using cheap or incompatible coloring products that just don't mix well with your concrete type, so make sure you pick something made for concrete specifically. Lastly, folks often forget to seal the concrete after coloring, which totally defeats the purpose because UV rays and rain will fade your hard work in no time. Fixing these issues is usually as simple as cleaning well with a pressure washer or degreaser, buying quality color products from a trusted source, and investing in a good sealant designed for outdoor or indoor use based on where your concrete is. BigHomeProjects.com is where homeowners like you can easily find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about things like concrete coloring and other home improvements. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to snag more gigs, BigHomeProjects.com helps you connect with clients ready to get projects done without all the hassle of marketing yourself. It's legit a win-win for everyone trying to upgrade their space or grow their business.